Hi everyone. So this is our website TravelSync.
Hi everyone, so I will now demo the collaborative features of TravelSync. So as you can see the front page, you can see your own itineraries and you also can see itineraries which other people have shared with you. So for example, let's click into this itinerary. In this itinerary, you can currently see the number of people viewing the itinerary at the top right of the page. Additionally, you can click on this collaborators button and see who are collaborating on this same itinerary. So right now you can see my role is a viewer, so I cannot make any changes to the itinerary, I can only view it. But if I was the owner, I can click on this button and this is where I can add or remove any collaborators, or I can change their roles. For example, if I change this guy from a viewer to an editor, then I go back here, you can see now I'm able to edit the itinerary. Alright, so now I'll go through the key features of the activity page. So over here I have a list of activities where I can add, edit or delete any of the activities here. Similarly, I can add or delete any days. But let's try to edit this activity. Let's say I want to change the location of this activity. I can either manually input and change the address myself, or I can use this, which is to choose the location on the map. So I can click anywhere on the map, or I can just search for, let's say, McDonald's at UT. Now another cool feature is I can use this search nearby activities, where I can search for nearby tourist attractions or parks, shopping malls or restaurants. So for example, I want to search for nearby restaurants, I can click this and search. As you can see, it will display the markers of nearby activities nearby to the pin I dropped here. So, and then you can click on each of them and then compare. So let's say I want to choose Burger King, I can just choose this. And then, ta-da! Now I'm having my breakfast at Burger King. Now another feature is that in between activities where you use the integrated location picker, you have the option to show the route in between the two activities. So for instance here, from Burger King UT point to Woodlands checkpoint, I can choose transit and then show route. And then here it will show me the route to take to get from here to here and the total duration. So this will help me better plan the itinerary and better account for the travel duration. I can also click on show steps to show the steps to take to get from point A to point B. And let's say if, for example, I'm feeling healthy that day, for example, I decide to do walking instead. And now the total duration takes 2 hours. So okay, I can go back and then edit. Maybe I eat breakfast earlier, like 6 AM instead. So yeah, that's an example of how it can help you with your planning.
Hi everyone. This is our hotels page, and this helps us to compare hotels within a specific location. It can be anything you want. In this case, we will put Tokyo and Osaka as a location that we want to stay at for our Japan trip. So when you add a new hotel, some information that you need to that you're given to fill up. Since I've already done an example, I will not be doing it right now. So you can compare the hotels right here, and you can just choose the hotels that you want to confirm. And if you want to change your hotel, you can just choose another hotel, like as so. And the notes will appear when you confirm the hotel. One more thing, you can also compare locations between the hotels. So by clicking this, you can just see the locations, the three hotels right here. This is our flights page. So if you want to add a flight, you can just add a flight as such, and you can fill in this information right here. I've done an example over here, so after filling in information, it will look like this. If you want to change this flight, for example, to a return flight, you just have to click this button. You automatically put the price as 0, and will display it as this is a return flight. So you can put your price, the total price in one of the flights, and then put a return flight right here. This is our summary page. It shows the flight details as such, the summary of itinerary. This summary also gives you the hotel that you want to stay at for the night, and the timing to check in and check out the hotels. And it also gives you the total expenditure right here. So let's see. The total flight costs $408. We add these two together, it's $408. And for activities, since you are able to add a price for activities, you also add this price right here. And for hotels, it'll be based on the price right here. They only calculate the confirmed hotels. So since this 138 and this has no confirmed hotels and such, it displayed $138. But if you want to add a hotel right here, it will add on to the tally. That's it for our website.